Most Mac users think restart, shut down, log out, and sleep are basically the same thing. They're not much different. You click one, your Mac feels different, and you assume something got fixed. Sometimes it does feel better performing one of these actions, but not for the reasons most people think. Because these options are not some kind of performance tool, they are just system state controls. They don't repair files or magically optimize your Mac, they tell system what to keep alive, what to pause, and what to completely reset. So in this video, I'm not showing you the fixes. I'm showing you what keeps running and what actually stops every time you choose one of them. No myths, no optimization advice. Just how macOS actually behaves. This confusion exists among many users because all these options live in the same menu. They sound similar, they feel similar, and visually, nothing dramatic happens. So people assume restart, shutdown, or sleep. It's all kind of same. Honestly, majority of users don't even pay attention to any one of these features. However, macOS treats each one of these as very different instruction. Once you understand that difference and purpose, you stop clicking randomly based on habit and start choosing intentionally. Let's go through them, starting with the one people rely on most. Restart is not a repair. It's a controlled reset of macOS temporary working state. When you restart your Mac, your apps close, user session ends, temporary memory is cleared, many background services reload, and hardware services like Wi-Fi, audio, keyboard, Bluetooth, camera, they restart cleanly. That's why restart sometimes feels effective. But again, let me remind you, it does not fix files or optimize macOS. It simply removes short-term friction. If your Mac has been running for days, weeks, or months, then restart can give it a clean state. That's it, no magic, just a fresh system state. When you shut down your Mac, it goes one step further. During this, macOS fully powers off. All sessions end, all background activities stop, RAM is completely cleared. But here's a surprise for most people. From a clean system's perspective, shutdown and restart are very similar. The difference is intent, not power. If you're done for a while, traveling, preserving battery, or not using it for days, then shutdown completely makes sense. But if you're trying to troubleshoot behavior, then restart is more effective than shutdown. Neither one is a performance boost, they are just different resets. And the next one is the most misunderstood of all. Sleep does not reset your Mac. It pauses it. Your session stays in memory, your apps stay open, and your workspace is preserved. That's why opening lid feels instant. But it is also why sleep does not resolve any kind of Mac slowdowns or system oddities. If your Mac felt sluggish before, sleep brings it back to the same state. Sleep is about convenience and power saving, not cleanup or reset. Think of it as pressing pause button on macOS. Logout resets the specific user account, not the Mac. Your user session ends, your apps close, and user-level background agents stop. But macOS itself, with other user accounts, keeps running. This is useful when you're done and you're stepping away, or when something feels off within your user account specifically, like Finder glitches, menu bar issues, app behavior, or Spotlight search. For system-wide issues, logout does not change much. It's often mistaken for a lightweight restart. However, it is not. If you can't memorize everything all at once, then let me give you a simple mindset. Restart when the system feels off after long use. Shut down when you're done for a while. Sleep when you temporarily want to pause work and resume quickly. Log out when only your user session needs a reset. And lock screen, that's just protection. You're done using it for now. Your apps, your work, your files, everything stays intact and open, just logged. None of these are fixes, they're just instructions. And I'm sure you're going to choose them wisely now. So here's the real takeaway. These options are not shortcuts or any kind of fixes. They are just instructions. Each one tells macOS what to keep alive, what to pause, and what to completely reset. Once you see them that way, you stop guessing and start using your Mac with intent, not random actions, just the right ones. This is it in this video. If you found it helpful, hit that like button and subscribe Crazy Editors for future tech tips, tricks, and solutions. And now, if you're ready to learn when a restart on your Mac is super effective, when it is not, then here's the video for you. Once again, thank you for watching Crazy Editors. Until next time, you take care of yourself and I will see you in the next one.